guys, I'm Chef Sal, and today you're in my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make the real deal sausage roll. You got Papa Sal here. Domani quanto è bello, spiratando sentimento, come a te che ti ne accende, la scelta te fa suonare. Hey! Papa Sal, stay tuned.
Alright guys, here we go. It's sausage roll day. Happy Friday to you, by the way. Alright, you're gonna get your dough. And again, I'll show you how to make this dough in another episode. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna stretch this dough out, and we're going for a square shape. Not a circle shape, not like you're making pizza, but a square shape. Getting that square shape is gonna help you wrap the sausage roll the proper way. So you can get it as big as you want. You know, if you guys are feeling hungry, you know, the bigger the wrap, the more you can fit in there. All right, here we go. I already got my mozzarella cheese freshly cut. Then we're gonna have our fresh sausage sliced. I like slicing my sausage better than dicing my sausage like in chunks, because you know you get that nice sliced sausage. It cooks evenly. There's a nice little crisp to it. And then we're gonna put our onions and the other rest of the house mozzarella cheese. We're wrapping this up like a little blanket. The last wrap actually tugs in underneath the sausage roll. This way it helps to keep it shut and closed while it's in the oven cooking. I'm gonna now put 3 slices right on top of the sausage roll. What this is gonna do, the heat will circulate inside that sausage roll to perfection, and you'll have a nice evenly cooked sausage roll. And now, yep, you guessed it, it's ready for the oven. All right, there it is. Beautiful golden brown sausage roll. I'm gonna place this on a nice white plate. All about presentation. Look how gorgeous that looks inside. Evenly cooked. Remember, those 3 slices on top really does the trick for this thing. Some nice house marinara. Garnish of fresh basil. Voila. Hey guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help me out. I'll catch you next time on Cooking with Chef Sal and Papa Sal. Till next time guys, be safe.